Julene, let me see you. That means she's liking you, your style and all that. Why not? You're really twin sisters then. Put it everything there so you don't waste it, and then that just put the creamer to grandma's face after you use it instead of washing it. Let me see. Oh wow. Ganda susunan. You took. Juling, can you fix your bangs para ka naman si Mang yeah, can you fix it? Okay, good. Para naman siya si Mang Kapweng nga. See, if you look mine, if I do it, see. Stretch your back. Is Are you wearing do you want to have something that that's your so obvious anak. Jake, Julie, can you just when you fix your hair, go to the mirror so you can see it. Yeah, I think you need to have a vest. If yeah, if there's she can eat first. Yeah. Julene, is there any way like I have a question. Is there any way that like Jade like all the way not having in the middle? Okay. Okay. Well, just yeah, just don't put. I don't think. Let me see. I don't think you can take this out. It's tight. Okay. Bye guys. Okay. Oo. Oo nga yan nga yung binili. Oo nga kaya nga nagustuhan niya yan.